This is Jonathan Bowen from CorSec Engineering, and we're here today to show you our Omni stand system. The Omni stand system is a series of mounts, rods, and bases that work together in a interchangeable fashion so you can create any kind of flight stand that you need. In order to create your own flight stand, all you need to do is you start with a mount. In order to select your mount, we have several different variants. We have our original standard mount. This one is designed to be mounted inside of a larger aircraft or resin model. We recommend that you get a good solid connection on larger aircraft. So this is designed to be actually embedded inside through a hole in the bottom, and that's a 3/16 inch diameter hole that this fits in. The other mount we have is a small mount. This one is for flush mounting on smaller aircraft, or if you really don't want to drill into anything. The small mount just takes a little bit of epoxy on the end and you can really get a good solid connection. We also have our fighter toppers. These are designed for small fighters or bugs or whatever you need, whatever your game needs are. This is designed so that you can attach multiple small miniatures to one flight stand. Once you've decided what mount you need, you go on to your rods. Now we have two different major types. We have our standard rods that come in 1 inch all the way up to 3 inch, and these are static. They just screw right into the base, and then once you've attached your miniature to the mount, it just screws right in on top, and you've created a flight stand. The whole thing collapses back down so it can easily be stored. We also have telescoping rods for those of you that need a little more dynamic movement in the game. We have our flat magnet, which is just your standard telescoping rod with a magnet on top. We also have our telescoping rod with sphere magnet. This allows you to take any of your aircraft with our mount, and once you've attached to the base, you can really position the ship or the plane or whatever you're using in a lot of different dynamic poses. You can use it to illustrate banking, climbing, whatever the game needs, or if you just want to make the game look cooler, it's a great way to add a new feel to the airplane games. Telescoping rods go all the way up to 18 inches, and again, everything comes apart and collapses back down. Final rod we have is our screw top. This is for larger aircraft and bigger models that may not be as stable on a magnet, so you can use this to hold them up and attach it to any of our bases. Now, as far as bases, we have quite a few variants of bases. We have a complete line of hexes from 1.25 inch all the way up to 5 inch. We have round bases. These round bases come in two variants, 60 millimeter and 30 millimeter. These are great for 40K or Battlefleet Gothic. They come in black and clear. We have a couple different variants of square bases. These come with or without etching. The etches are designed for Spartan Games products so that you can use them for Firestorm Armada or Dystopian Wars. We have our 60 millimeter and 40 millimeter square, plus we've got more coming out later. We also have bases specific for various game systems such as Wings of War. We are always adding new bases to the system, and we can also create custom bases if you need. So just drop us an email and let us know what you need, and we can work with you on that. But that's the Omni stand system in a nutshell.